Welcome to Up the Neck Improvisation lesson number 3. So today I'm going to introduce a bit of a new chord position that some of you probably already use, others may not. It's a movable C chord. So when they refer to the Cage system, they're talking about moving a C, an A, a G, and an E chord. So this is the C chord that they're talking about in that system. And it's taking the C chord as such, moving it up 2 frets, but changing my fingering so it goes. That's the whole chord. Now, I want to make a comment here. Very seldom do I play the whole chord. Each chord has 3 parts. This being D, I would have the high part of this chord being a normal D chord. The middle part of that is I'm just substituting my fingers as such for this. And then the low part would be the low 3. But having that been said, I'm going to take this D chord and introduce you to what I consider the most useful pattern position to use when I'm trying to find a song. As I say, I call this the sandwich position because I have a 1 chord. Underneath my 1 chord would be my 4 chord. And then on top of my 1 chord is the 5 chord. 1 chord, 4's always underneath it, the 5's on top, 1. I have a 1 chord, the 4's right underneath it, 5's on top. I want you to practice that because that is a position I can use all over the neck, which I mean specifically, I can take this D, up 2 it's E, up 1 is F, and then I'm up into G. This is where a whole lot of you bluegrassers and country players like to play your stuff, you know, it's like... Going to my 5 chord, my 1, 4, to my 5. Again, I have a 1 chord. I have a 5 on top. I have a 1. I have a 1 chord. I have the 5 right here on top. 1. I have my 1 chord, my 4 chord, my 1 chord. I call that the sandwich position again. I always have the 1, underneath is the 4, on top is the 5, and then the 1. And I want you to take a look how close all these fingers are. They're almost the exact same fingering. That's what's going to make this up the neck playing, because what that means, if I can do a lick on the 1, my 4 is just underneath it with almost the exact same fingering. My 5 is on the bottom, same fingering. Good luck, study this well, keep picking.